This matter is an issue simply because a very reckless lawyer has mentioned the name of the CJ. Apart from that, this is not an issue. This is a very small matter of you and your client and dealing with your fees and dealing with it quietly, and then you go and invoke a huge problem. I agree, okay, that this is serious, but the reason why it's serious is because this is a very high office. And clearly, when you make a mention of a CJ, in these circumstances, everybody sits up. Now the CJ has to take time off his onerous duties to come and defend himself, and that is entirely unfair. I agree with Martin when he says that this casts a doubt on the CJ's own credibility, but I want to assure everybody that nobody who knows our present CJ has any doubt that this is a fabrication. Unless it is proven, I don't think the CJ will suffer any real damage in the eyes of any serious lawyer in this country. I am upset because much as we want scrutiny on our leaders, I think we must all guard high office against such reckless utterances, which now draw us all into unnecessary rabbit holes of trying to prove something which clearly, looks fabricated. I mean, I think on the balance of the probability as things are now, and I'm saying this because going forward, I think we must be measured in how much we demand from the CJ. We cannot respond to everybody's reckless utterance. As far as I am concerned, this should not be taken seriously. I agree that he has referred it to the police. I understand the NDC's call as politics, and I don't think much of what they are saying will happen. The CJ will not step down because he should not step down. The CID should take up the matter. Yes, they have issues with the CID, which we understand. All of us have issues. But we also know that the Ghana police is number 8 in Africa. At least they do some good work. And they are the proper institution to do that. We can ask other institutions also to, come in and do what they need to do. But the CJ must focus on automating the courts, must focus on making sure that cases are caught timeously and disposed of properly, and all those other things that we need to do in our justice system, instead of responding to reckless statements by people who clearly are not measured in their judgment. How do you say a thing like this, okay, about a person in that high office, this recklessly, and say, stay tuned? How do you invoke such a matter to try and cure your small matter? Okay, so Samson, all the issues about whether, this amount was what was asked for and all those things, they are fine. But the reason why this is an issue is simply because the CJ has been mentioned in very unflattering light. Okay. I think that no serious lawyer is going to take this seriously.